What are two methods to subscribe to cloud insights? Choose two. Option A. NetApp Sales. Option B. AWS Marketplace. Option C. NetApp Support Site. Option D. NetApp Cloud Central. The correct answer is option B. What is an advantage of server virtualization from a maintenance perspective? Option A. Hosts can be upgraded or replaced non-disruptively to the virtual machines running on the hosts. Option B. Virtual machines can be non-disruptively relocated to more powerful platforms, if required. Option C. Virtual machines that are powered on but not being accessed, use no CPU or memory resources. Option D. Hosts can be powered off with no effect to the virtual machines running on the hosts. The correct answer is option C. You want to use NetApp Cloud Volumes ONTAP as a data replication target for your primary ONTAP storage systems. In this scenario, what are 3 cost-saving business benefits? Choose 3. Option A. The ability to tier inactive data to less costly storage. Option B. The ability to run without purchasing a license as long as your production workload is less than 2 terabytes. Option C. The ability to migrate clusters between public cloud providers to take advantage of price differences. Option D. The ability to shut down the virtual instance to save on compute costs. Option E. The ability to provision added capacity when you need it. The correct answer is option C, D. Regarding system high availability, what is the reference used to determine reliability? Option A. The number of data network components available between the data and the user, measured in packet per second, PPS. Option B. The amount of data available to users and how quickly they can access it, measured in IOPS. Option C. The number of nines, for example, 2 nines, 99, 3 nines, 99.9, 4 nines, 99.99, and 5 nines, 99.999. Option D. The number of hard drives available in a system, with more drives indicating more reliability. The correct answer is option C,